Hello and welcome to the code tutorial of Hello and welcome to the code walkthrough of the simple role-based access control that I have implemented along with the caching layer that is set up. So in this particular video I will be demonstrating the roles that are there in the system. So we're using this npm package called access control. This one is a pretty old package, and here we are defining the rules that are there. So in the system there are four roles: visitor, user, moderator and an admin. So every person who is not a part of the organization or someone who is not logged in, we are giving them the role of visitor, and by default any person who does not have any credentials is said to be a visitor. And the others are user. Once a user logs into the system, they become a user, and then the next level is the moderator. Moderator has access to basically moderate all the users that we have in the system, and then the final one is admin, which has basically all the rights. So this particular file, as you can see, this is a very clean code base in which you can keep on adding services that you want, and it has, since this is written in TypeScript, it has excellent um, support for collaborators. So you can include many definitions, like I can also add read any, and then include basically anything that ensures that the readability of code is excellent. Now these are the definitions for the, we are granting all these definitions to user, and it also allows you to extend the definitions for any pre-existing role. For instance, you can see here in this one we are granting all the privileges of the role that we have of visitor to the user. And similarly, as we are describing more hierarchially like elevated roles like the moderator and the admin, those are extending the roles that are below it. So this basically means the moderator will have all the rights that the user has, and similarly the admin will have all the rights that the moderator has along with the user has, along with what the visitor has. So that is all for this file. This only describes how we are defining the rules in the system, and that's it.